Today I'm going to show you how to make this wave motion effect on Premiere Pro. Add your flag that you want to animate on your time frame. After it, go to Effects tab, search for something called Wave Warp. Go to Effects Control Panel on the Wave Warp effect. Increase the wave width to your liking. Mine, I'll adjust it to 104. On pinning, I will pin it on the left side to make it look a little bit realistic. I'll then go ahead and nest the entire scene. Then go to Effects panel and search for something called Basic 3D. Go to Effects Control on the Basic 3D panel. Adjust the tilt, distance to the image and swivel to give it a 3D touch.